Cold snap in the US. The US is experiencing an unprecedented cold wave, with millions left without electricity. Thousands of flights were cancelled. The storm impacted extended regions from the east to the west coast, affecting over 200 million people. Globally, the climate is becoming ever more extreme. How can we deal with it? We can't. Unless we take care of nature's inner balance. What do you mean? I mean that all in all, we're living in a tightly closed system in which everything comes back at us. We need to take into account both our desires and thoughts and the way we treat each other. It also has an effect over the ecosystem. You bet it does. That we curse each other and the things that we do. This is the main thing. But it doesn't have to do with the heat and cold and balance. It has to do with balance. No creature distorts nature the way man does. No one. So it's not enough that we all simply drive electric cars or something. No, of course not. What does man need to do in order not to destroy anything around him? Do you have an electric meter at home? Yeah. A water meter? Yeah. Gas meter, suppose? Yeah. So there also needs to be a meter that counts how much evil you emit. If you reach harmony with nature, you reach harmony with the upper force. And then it affects you on all levels. When such a person gets up in the morning, what does he think about? What he thinks about is, what do I need to do so that everyone will have it good? That's amazing. Yes, it is. And it's not simple. This is something that we'll need to seriously work on in the future.